Myself Naveen, I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us see how to find circumcenter of a triangle. So this is our triangle A, B, C. Angle bisector of A and angle bisector of B and angle bisector of C. The point of concurrence of angle bisector of the vertices is known as circumcenter. That is called S. Circumcenter of a triangle is going to be represented by the letter S. I mean, as circumcenter of a triangle is S is the circumcenter. I mean, distance between S and A as well as distance between S and B as well as distance between S and C are the same. See, this S of x comma y is the circumcenter of a triangle ABC. A is the vertex of triangle, that is minus 2 comma 3, and B is the vertices of a triangle, that is 2 comma minus 1, and C be the vertices of a triangle, that is 4 comma 0. Let A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle A, B, C. Right? So, did you understand, children, what do you mean by circumcenter? So actually, S is the point of concurrence of angle bisectors. Right? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Simply, here distance between S and A and distance between S and B and distance between S and C are the same. Let A of minus 2 comma 3, B of 2 comma minus 1, C of 4 comma 0 are the vertices of a triangle. Okay, and S of x comma y be the circumcenter of a triangle. Right? As we know that distance between S and A, distance between S and B, distance between S and C are same. Okay, so that is SA equal to SB. Okay, so we know that distance between two points, we have the formula, that is S and A, which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula for distance between two points, right? So here we have S and A and as well as S and B. Actually, here we have square root. So let us cancel that. I mean, what we have to do? We have to do squaring on both sides. I mean, SA square equal to SB square. Right? So that we can cancel square root. Right? Now, distance between S and A. Okay? So this is you consider as x1, y1. This you consider as x2, y2. Right? x2 minus x1 whole square. I mean x minus of minus 2 whole square. That is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, now distance between S and B. So let it be x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. Right? I mean x2 minus x1 whole square. I mean x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Right? Now a plus b whole square, a square, b square means 2 square value 4 plus 2 into a into b. 2 into 2 4 x, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into y into 3, that is 6y. Again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square gets cancelled, y square gets cancelled, right? Here we have 4x, 6y, 4 plus 9, that is 13, equal to, here we have minus 4x plus 2y, so 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. Let us transpose that all terms. 4x minus 6y plus 13, minus 4x comes to this side, means plus 4x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 4x plus 4x, 8x minus 6y minus 2y minus 8y, 13 minus 5, 8 equal to 0. Let me take 8 as common. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0. 8 you transpose, you will get x minus 1, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Okay. Now, as we know that distance between S and A and S and B are same, as well as distance between SB and SC also same. So same way. So this is equation number 1. As we know that distance between S and B as well as S and C also same. Squaring on both sides, that is SB square is equal to SC square. Okay. So let us see now distance between SB and as well as distance between SC. See children, SB first of all, x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to distance between S and C, x2 y2, this is our x1 y1, x2 minus x1 whole square, I mean x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, I mean 2 square value 4 minus 2 into 2x, 4x, y square plus 1 plus 2y is equal to a minus b whole square, a square plus b square, 4 square value 16 minus 2 into x into 4, 2 4 is 8x, y minus 0 y square, x square, y square gets cancelled. So minus 4x plus 2y, 4 plus 1, that is 5 equal to minus 8x plus 16. Let us transpose. Minus 4x plus 2y plus 5 minus 8x comes to this side, means plus 8x, minus 16 comes to this side, means plus 16 comes to this side, means minus 16. Minus 4x plus 8x, that is 4x plus 2y, 15, 5 minus 16, that is minus 11 equal to 0. So this is our equation number 2. Got it children? We got 2 equations. So let us solve these 2 equations. So equation number 1, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So that is x by 1. So y coefficient, first of all we need to write the coefficient of y, minus 1, then constant, then x coefficient and y coefficient, right? Now coming to second equation, y coefficient, constant, x coefficient and y coefficient, right? So let us solve now. That is x by minus 1 into 11, 11, 2 into 1, 2, equal to y by 1 into 4, 4, minus into minus plus, 11 1 is 11, equal to 1 by 1 2 is 2, minus into minus plus, 4 1 is 4. So that is x by 9 equal to y by 15 equal to 1 by 6. Now equate x by 9 equal to 1 by 6, cross multiplication, x is equal to 9 by 6, 3 3 is 3 2 is. So what is the value of x? X value 3 by 2. Now coming to y, y by 15 equal to 1 by 6, cross multiplication, y equal to 15 by 6, 3 5 is 3 2 is. So what is the value of y? Y value is 5 by 2. So we got the coordinates of S, that is x comma y, which is equal to 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. They are the circumcenter of a triangle ABC. So what we did, children? Circumcenter in the sense you need to remember, this is the triangle ABC are the vertices of a triangle. S is the point of concurrence and the distance between SK, SB, SC are equal. So there S is called circumcenter of a triangle. So here we are using the formula distance between 2 points, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Actually we have square root, that is the reason we are doing squaring on both sides. See, you need to remember one point, that what do you mean by circumcenter, that's all. So that is the point of concurrence of angle bisectors, right? So that if you know, you can do it easily this sum. You will get two equations, that two equations we need to solve, we will get the coordinates of circumcenter of x comma y, that is 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, if you like the way of teaching children, you kindly subscribe my channel, share it. Thank you.